Hello everybody. Today's video is an intro to my Tamil channel, the Madras Café. Vanakkam and welcome to the Madras Café. I gave it a deep thought and thought of doing Tamil videos on this channel itself. And then I decided on starting this channel. I hope you all will give the same love and support rendered to my English channel. Exciting content is coming up on both the channels soon. Link to the Tamil channel is in the description box below. Please consider subscribing and share it with family and friends. Until next time, bye bye.